I'm Patrick Bailey with whiteboardcoder.com. Today is July 25th, 2018, and in this video I'm going to be replacing the ignition key cylinder on my 2000 Toyota Sienna minivan. Okay, so here's what's going on. We've had this minivan for a little while, and it's an older minivan, and I'd say over the past couple of years, every so often the key would get stuck, and I'd have to move the wheel or jiggle it around and finally get the key to turn. And it happened once a month, once every 2 months. It's a little bit of a pain. And there's been even one time where I had to sit there and fight with it for a good 10-20 minutes before I finally got it to turn. Very frustrating. And so recently it's gotten worse, and so I'm a little bit better at it than clearing it than my wife. So one time she actually had to go call me to go drive out to get the car going. But so I wanted to go look up to see how hard a repair it is. Turns out it's really easy. So I went and ordered a new key cylinder here. And so here's this ignition key that I got on Amazon for, under 40 bucks. And it's got keys on it. So I got it delivered here. I've got it in hand. And so now I'm going to go try to see if I can replace this. It looks like a simple enough job, and hopefully it works. The only downside is now I'll have keys for my ignition switch and different key for my door, which is not the end of the world. It's an older minivan, and I'm not going to bother, trying to get the keys on the same key because I got better things to do. It's an old minivan. We can get by. But with that being said, let's go get it fixed. Let me go do it. Okay, first thing I got to do is unplug the battery just to be safe. So here you can see the red is the positive, black's the negative. So I'm going to unhook the negative and just play it safe. Keep my hands out of the way while I do it. Okay, so I'll set that aside just to be safe, and then let's go work on the car. Okay, so I got the new key cylinder. And so this is going to go just replace this whole mechanism. They'll have these new keys. Now, part of the good and bad of this is to be able to get this out, I need to take some of this apart, but then to get this out, what you have to do, you have to get it into the accessory mode, this ACC. And then down here, there should be some kind of lever or button. So see, you can't push that very far. But if you're in the ACC, you can push it much further. And that's what's holding it in. So I basically have to get this, which is not turning right now, into ACC, and then push that in. The alternative, which doesn't sound very pleasant, is I've heard of someone who got all the way under here and then used a drill to drill this out and then pull the whole thing out, which does not sound pleasant, and I'm going to try to avoid that. So let me see if I can get this apart. So now I need to first start taking this bottom section off if I can, which there should just be plastic with lots of little fun parts in there. And let's see what we can do. Okay, we have to get out of the car a little bit. Okay, so that's... Oh, and I'll take this electrical out here. Should be a... We're going to take that out, and then what I've got here is a 10 millimeters nut. Let's see if I can get that off. Got a little music in the background. There's one, and there's another one over here. Okay, then okay, you decided to come down and you decided to get stuck. Okay, the bolt's out on this side and it's gotten loose, but on this side, it doesn't want to move. There's a big this big metal piece in here. I found something. Ah, it's got a hook. Oh, I see on the top it hooks over. You see over here is a hook. So I'm fighting that hook over here. So let me go up and out. Or just fight it. There we go, so it's hooked on there on the top. Okay, so now, I haven't looked under here yet, so I don't know how bad it's gonna look. Ah, okay. So, right there, so there's my cylinder, and right in there is where I should be pushing in, I believe. But I can't get in there until I get this turned straight. So I'm going to want to get that turned straight, get something in there that's thinner than this to push that up, and then pull the whole thing out. So I have a key here, and let's just see how blind, stupid lucky I get, because I think I'm going to have to fight with this. So what you want to do, get that there, and I need to get it into the accessory. But, okay, I'm going to have to fight with this for probably 20 minutes. Who knows, because it's all locked up right now, which is why I'm replacing it, right? So let me get this worked out into the accessory mode, and then we'll film pulling that out. Okay, I have to admit defeat that my wife was right. Defeat but victory, because I thought I was going to be here for at least 20 minutes fighting with it, which I've done before, but within 2 minutes I actually got it to turn to accessories. So in this case, everything was locked up, and so I don't know if this is going to help anyone else, but I actually ended up, I was jerking it this way, and I jerked it this way and held it, and that seemed to free it up this time. Not saying it's going to work for you, but it worked for me this time. So now, you can see, I am on accessories. And what I need to do, I pointed in the last part to the wrong part. If you actually go underneath here, it's not this guy. What you see, hopefully, is this hole right here. That, you need something to push into. I happen to have this, something that, you know, probably a pen could work too in this case. And then this whole thing should hopefully pull out as you push that up. Oh, maybe I need something a little more pokey. Maybe a pencil. Oh, there we go. And there is the entire unit. Looks pretty similar to me. Looks like, I don't know if that's part of the problem, but look, that's got a nice nub and that's kind of worn down. I don't know if that's part of the problem or not. But the rest of it looks fantastic. So I'll take off that and have my new key. Not that that really matters. So now I'm in accessories again. And this should just go right in. And I heard a click there. Oh, look at that. Well, now, before I put it back all back together, of course I have the batteries unhooked. So let me go quickly hook the battery back on. Let's try it. let's see. Moment of truth. Are you going to turn for me? Okay. Oh, for 40 bucks. Just to replace that thing that, you know, I think ours was getting worse. I think it was at the end of its life. But had I known this, I would have replaced it a year ago. Because it only happened once every 2 months, but it was a pain. But now, I've got 2 sets of keys. So I got to think about that. I got 1 key for the door and 1 key for the lock, and that's okay for me. It's a cheap old car. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a like. To subscribe, just click the subscribe button. Also, you can follow me on Twitter under the handle @whiteboardcoder.com. View any code I may have thrown up as a gist at GitHub under the username PatmanDenver, or check out my blog site at whiteboardcoder.com.